Tonight, once again, we are drawing one of the sweetest pterosaurs I've met. Tonight we're drawing Rhamphorhynchus. Rhamphorhynchus was first discovered in the late Jurassic. It hanged around beaches like the ones that me and my family have been to. Mostly they're tropical, like the ones in Florida. That's where my grandma used to live. That's where my grandma still lives. Well, technically, Grandma used to live in one part of Florida and moved on to the next. My grandma lives in Miami now. Grandma lives in a retirement home. Well, it has a small pool. Grandma and I used to go walking together. Here is Rhamphorhynchus' wingspan. Don't mess with its body design. It's kind of smaller than it usually looks. There we are. Let's bring up some facts on Rhamphorhynchus. Let me just find my book. And here it is. Right. Moving on, here's the book. And according to this, Rhamphorhynchus kind of lived around Hold on, almost there. I know you're here somewhere. Here they are. The Jurassic seagull. This is where they lived. They were found in Europe and Asia, and, well, like I said before, they are found on beaches. There we are, folks. That is how you draw Rhamphorhynchus from Walking with Dinosaurs. To watch more, check out the dinosaur playlist. That's all for now, guys. Good night.